Hey, this is Arlene. It is March the 3rd, 2020. So anyway, I have a hacker because I usually live stream my cat on Periscope, and I wasn't able to do it because of a hacker. So I tried it using Verizon Wireless and it wouldn't work. And then I tried using it with Verizon Wireless and it wouldn't work. And then I tried with Spectrum and it wouldn't work on Periscope. So that's my apartment building right here, part of it. And I wasn't able to use it, so I recorded it, and then I'll just come home at lunch and try and live stream it again and see if it works. So definitely somebody hacking, but I'm thinking the hacker is probably I would say probably in my apartment building. So we'll see, but definitely having some hacker issues. So there's my car, and I'll just come home at lunch and see what happens. Oh, I hope my shoes are in here. I forgot my earrings again. So, anyways, that is a problem that I'm having, and I can't really do much about, but just make videos about it and stuff, and just talk about what's going on right now. So that's happening in my apartment building where I live, and it's most likely it's one of the tenants.